Are you searching for a new TV that delivers great picture quality, fantastic features, and won't break the bank? Look no further. Today, we're diving into the top 5 budget-friendly smart TVs for 2024. Let's make sure you get the best value for your money. Number 1. The Hisense U6N is making waves in the budget 4K TV market this year, combining affordability with impressive features typically found in higher-end models. With its ULED technology and quantum dot color, the U6N delivers vibrant colors and sharp contrasts that make any movie, game, or TV show come to life. Offering 4K UHD resolution and Dolby Vision HDR, the U6N provides clarity and depth that's hard to beat at its price point. Gamers and sports enthusiasts will appreciate the U6N's motion rate 240, which ensures smoother visuals during fast action scenes. Its game mode minimizes input lag, making gameplay feel more responsive. Equipped with a Budget Smart OS, the Hisense U6N offers seamless streaming options with apps like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube, and voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant makes browsing content easy. Priced competitively, the Hisense U6N is ideal for anyone wanting an advanced smart TV experience on a budget. While it lacks some features of premium models, like HDMI 2.1 ports, it still offers a fantastic viewing experience. Overall, the U6N is a top pick for budget-conscious consumers seeking a high-quality 4K smart TV in 2024. Number 2. The TCL Q7 is quickly becoming a favorite in the mid-range 4K TV market, delivering exceptional quality and features without the premium price tag. Featuring quantum dot technology, the Q7 produces a wide color gamut and impressive brightness levels that enhance picture vibrancy and depth. Combined with TCL's High Brightness Pro and Full Array Local Dimming, it excels at producing sharp contrasts, making dark scenes look detailed and bright scenes pop. The Q7 supports Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10+, automatically adjusting brightness and contrast based on room lighting. Gamers will find the TCL Q7 ideal, thanks to its Game Accelerator 120, which boosts the refresh rate to 120 Hz for smooth visuals in fast-paced games, along with low input lag for quick response times. Plus, with variable refresh rate, VRR, and ALLM, auto low latency mode, gaming performance is seamless. Running on TCL's Google TV platform, the Q7 offers a robust selection of apps and personalized recommendations. It also integrates well with Google Assistant and Alexa, enabling hands-free control. For those wanting a high-performance, feature-packed TV at an affordable price, the TCL Q7 stands out as a top pick for 2024. Number 3. The Hisense U7N brings top-tier features to the budget-conscious 4K TV market, making it a standout option for 2024. Equipped with ULED and quantum dot technology, the U7N offers vibrant, accurate colors and deep contrasts, providing a dynamic viewing experience across movies, sports, and gaming. The TV's full-array local dimming further enhances contrast, delivering deeper blacks and sharper detail in dark scenes. Supporting Dolby Vision HDR and HDR10+, the U7N adjusts brightness and color in real time, enhancing visuals based on the scene and room lighting conditions. With a native 120 Hz refresh rate and motion rate technology, the U7N delivers fluid motion, ideal for fast-action sports and gaming. Gamers will also appreciate the Game Mode Pro, which includes HDMI 2.1, VRR, variable refresh rate, and ALLM, auto low latency mode, making for smooth, low-lag gameplay. Running on the Budget OS, the Hisense U7N provides a smooth, intuitive interface with popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube. Voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant adds convenience for hands-free operation. For those seeking a rich viewing experience without a premium price, the Hisense U7N offers a powerful combination of features and value. Number 4. The Amazon Fire TV Omni QLED is a standout choice in the world of 4K TVs, combining high-quality visuals with Amazon's integrated smart features. Built with quantum dot technology, the Omni QLED offers vivid, lifelike colors and rich contrasts, enhancing every detail on the screen. Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and adaptive brightness ensure that the picture quality adjusts seamlessly based on room lighting, so viewers get an optimal experience any time of day. One of the Omni QLED's unique features is its deep integration with Alexa. With far-field voice control, you can manage streaming, adjust settings, or even control smart home devices without needing a remote. Additionally, Alexa widgets bring live updates for weather, calendar events, and news directly to your TV screen, turning it into an all-in-one hub. The Omni QLED also features an ambient mode that uses sensors to display artwork and photos when not in use, creating a stylish addition to any room. The Fire TV interface offers a wide array of streaming options with quick access to apps, and its personalized recommendations make content discovery easy. For those seeking a smart, visually captivating TV, the Amazon Fire TV Omni QLED is an excellent option in 2024. Number 5. The Roku Plus series is redefining the smart TV experience in 2024, delivering outstanding visuals and the simplicity that Roku is known for. With 4K resolution and quantum dot technology, this series offers bright, vibrant colors and enhanced picture quality. Supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10+, the Roku Plus series provides excellent contrast and rich detail, giving viewers a more immersive experience, whether they are watching movies, shows, or sports. One of the highlights of the Roku Plus series is its integration with Roku's award-winning OS, making it easy to navigate and access thousands of streaming channels and apps. Personalized recommendations, voice search, and the Roku mobile app enhance the experience, allowing for smoother browsing and control. The series also features Dolby Atmos support, delivering dynamic, room-filling audio that elevates the cinematic feel. For gamers, the Roku Plus series includes a game mode that reduces input lag, making gameplay more responsive. Its sleek, minimalistic design fits well in any living room, adding style without overwhelming the space. With top-notch smart features, impressive picture quality, and a user-friendly interface, the Roku Plus series is an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment system without overspending.